And other businesses are stepping in to help those on the front lines. Sweetie Boy Repair in Chesterfield is offering a deep discount for healthcare workers and first responders during this pandemic. The auto repair shop has been deemed essential, and they say they know the importance of having a car that works. Enzo Domingo is live now. He joins us after talking to that shop owner. Tell us what kind of deal you can expect if these folks, first responders, go in there.
Yeah, Kurt, they tell me for any auto repair, whether it takes a few minutes or a few hours, they are going to cut that labor cost in half. And on top of that, for every $100 they make on repairs, they're going to donate a portion of that to the Feed More Food Bank. Things haven't changed much for Sweetie Boy Repair since the pandemic started, because cars still need fixing. But since they're deemed an essential business, the staff at the auto repair shop wanted to use their skills for the greater good.
There's still essential workers that need to get out there and get everything done, especially the first responders, where they don't get any breaks. It doesn't matter what's going on in the world, they got to keep running.
And so do their cars, which is why the shop is cutting labor costs.
Hour job or a 20-hour job, we're actually going to knock off 50% off of that entire labor charge.
And they're still doing their part to stop the spread of the virus. They cover up parts of the car, like the steering wheel or any section of the interior that gets touched. Westcott says Sweetie Boy is looking to change the way auto shops do business, especially during these trying times. One way is offering to pick up and drop off the cars and making sure it's disinfected, like this black Jeep belonging to Julius Davis.
I live 20 minutes out from where I work, so I need a car.
Davis is a wellness coordinator at an assisted living facility in Chesterfield. He says he appreciates all the businesses offering deals for workers like him, but not too many apply to his needs until Sweetie Boy.
I see the commercials saying, Burger King got you. I'm like, yo, I don't need a burger right now. I don't want a discount on the burger. I need my car fixed. Like, can y'all help me with that? And it's like, all right, these are some of the first people that said, yo, we got you with this.
Okay, now the shop says for every $100 they make, they're going to donate $1 of that to the Feed More Food Bank, and they plan to do that until the end of 2020. Now we're live and on your side out here in Chesterfield County. Enzo Domingo, NBC 12.
Thanks, Enzo.